How to change region on Epic Games. So first, what you want to do is just open up your browser. So once you're here, just search for how to change region Epic Games, and this will pop up, and click on the first link. So once you're here, you simply scroll down till you see this link right here. So click here to start the country change process. So just simply click on that. Once you're there, there's two possible outcomes or pages that you will see. So it is either the country change is not possible or this one, country change. And since I'm contacting Epic Games from the Philippines and my account was registered in the Philippines in the first place, I cannot possibly change my country or region. But let's say if you moved out of country and your account was registered to that country, like this one. So he's contacting Epic Games from the United Kingdom and the account was registered in Germany. So country change will be possible. But like for me in this case, country change is not possible since my account was made in the Philippines and I'm contacting the support in the Philippines. But once you have this message, you simply need to go through the process right here. So they will send email or they will either have a link there that you can click on and it will bring you to the page where you could change your account or region. That's how you basically change region on Epic Games.